Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing scope and securing access. Choose 4-8 focused keywords and 2-3 synonyms. That helps retrieve relevant articles quickly. Once done, verify your access method, university credentials, library proxy, or open access platforms, because access determines what you can download. Then pick databases, one multidisciplinary and one subject-specific. This combination balances breadth and depth. It reduces noise while ensuring you don't miss field-specific journals. Make sure to know now you construct precise queries and refine them. Combine keywords with and to narrow or to expand and not to exclude, and use parentheses to control logic. This produces focused results. Apply filters like date range, article type, and language to reduce irrelevant hits. Filters speed up screening. Run a few test searches, skim top results, then tweak synonyms and subject headings. Once you see hit patterns, save the exact query and export search history so you can reproduce or update the review later. Finish by screening and retrieving full texts. Rapidly screen titles and abstracts against a short checklist of inclusion and exclusion criteria to prioritize what to download. For full texts, use your library links first, then interlibrary loan or email authors for copies when necessary. Export citations into reference software and tag reasons for exclusion. That keeps decisions transparent. If you hit a dead end, broaden synonyms. Use cited by or reference lists to find related work, or ask a librarian for targeted help. This often resolves access or search gaps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.